All warmed up. For our workout today, we're going to try level 2 of 10 Frame Mania. Level 2 is called Honey Highway. It's the same idea, just the numbers are a little bigger. Our first number here is a 9, so I'm going to use my fill 5 key and then add 4 more. That should give us 9. For 7, we'll go fill 5 plus 2 more, makes 7. 9 again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A 6 would be 5 plus 1 more, and then 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we've just unlocked the fill 10 key. This is going to be very helpful for getting those higher numbers like 8, 9, and 10. One press of that key fills the whole 10 frame up. Now the first number they show us is an 8. We could do 5, 6, 7, 8, but there's another way I'll show you later. Now the 9 is next. Easiest way to do that is to go fill 10 and then hit one of those penguins to make it disappear. That should leave us with 9. Next number is a 1, easy. Let's do the 9 trick again. 10 minus 1 is 9. Now 8, we did it the 5 plus 3 way before, but now I'm going to do the 10 minus 2 way. It's a little faster. Another 9, let's go 10 minus 1. Fill 10, another 9, 10 minus 1, and then one little penguin and a fill 10. We've made it to round 3. The numbers should start speeding up now, so let's see if we can go super fast. 10 minus 2 is 8. 7, 5 plus 2. 10. 6 is 5 plus 1. 4, 5 minus 1. 8, we'll do the 10 minus 2 trick again. 9, 10 minus 1 trick. 8, 10, take away 2. Full 10, and one last 9. And an 8. Let's go 10 minus 2. 9 for 10 minus 1. A 6, 5 plus 1. Another 9. They're really hitting our 9s here. And a 10. Nice work. You try.